All right, Bitcoin holders, today is officially the last day of September. Tomorrow, it's going to be the first day of October. So, are you guys, okay, for all my Bitcoin holders out there watching this video right now, are you guys truly ready for Q4? Are you guys truly ready for October? I am here to tell you guys this right now. In the next upcoming few weeks, will be absolutely amazing for Bitcoin and crypto. Okay, in the next few weeks, I do see Bitcoin, okay, reaching back up to at least $70,000. Okay, reaching back up to 70K and potentially even back up to its previous highs and finally breaking out right from this resistance line, okay, and having a breakout and of course reaching a new high. Okay, so I really do see that happening the next month of October. Okay, so today is officially the last day of September. So there is in fact a fair few things that I want to show you guys. There's actually a fair few charts. Okay, a fair few charts actually today that I want to show you guys. So let's begin with today's video. But before we do that, guys, I want to show you guys what is happening right now with, of course, Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now, $65.6 thousand. We are in fact in the 1 hour time frame. And once again, Bitcoin is still not really moving today, just like where we saw it yesterday at 65K. Bitcoin, okay, Yashin's Khaleesi, has in fact been consolidating at this level of $65,000, right? So today, Bitcoin is not really moving. Ethereum still holding strong at $2.6 thousand, okay, above $2.6 thousand, still holding very, very strong at this level as well. Same with Solana, $158. At one point went all the way up to 160, okay, $161, but did in fact drop back down. Right now, Solana is dropping back down. Chainlink, okay, still below $13, okay, still looking pretty good right now for Chainlink, still holding at $12. So the market today, guys, okay, the crypto market today is not moving. Okay, Bitcoin's not really moving for the past 24 hours. Same with Ethereum and a lot of alts. Okay, a fair few alts are not really moving. XRP though is up over 4%, right? Almost 5%. Okay, but Yashin's Khaleesi, okay, fair few alts are not really moving today. Okay, Sui is up 4%. So some alts, okay, but majority of alts are down, but some alts are slightly pumping. Okay, so we're not seeing huge movements today for the crypto market, right? Global crypto market cap still sitting at 2.3 trillion, and overall the market today is slightly down. Okay, 0.6%. Now I want to show you guys this, okay, because October is about to start in 2 days. It's actually 1 day, right? So are you prepared, guys? Are you truly ready for October? And you guys can clearly see, right, halving, we had the halving elections and September is bullish, right? So understand, guys, okay, when we usually see, okay, and I've talked about this many times, usually when we see September bullish, right, and we end off the month in September in the greens, usually, okay, Q4, October, November, and December, we do in fact see those next upcoming 3 months in the greens, right? You guys can clearly see that. Like just last year, we saw a bullish, okay, September, and then we saw greens for October, November, and December. Same exact thing for, I believe, 2016 and 2015, right? You guys can clearly see that. Both bullish Septembers, okay, and then of course in Q4, we had 3 straight green months. Will history repeat itself? We will see about that, guys, but I really do believe October will be absolutely amazing. We know October is one of the most bullish months, okay, for Bitcoin and crypto. And in general, okay, September, right, November and December are pretty decent as well. So everything is looking pretty good, guys, right? Everything is looking absolutely amazing. We know we are about to get the election, right? And like I told you guys, it doesn't matter who wins this election, okay? Either way, Bitcoin's gonna skyrocket, right? So get ready for that, guys, okay? And yeah, so far, right, since today is, officially the last day of this month of September, we are up still over 11%. Bitcoin is still up over 11%, okay? And yes, right, this is actually history. And the reason why I'm saying it's history is because this is actually the best performing September for Bitcoin in Bitcoin history, right? You can clearly see that it's up over 10%. Okay, it's up over 11%, right? You can clearly see that. Like the only times, okay, when we're in fact in the greens was 2023 and it was only up 4%. And then 2016, right, 6%. And then 2015, 2%. This time around, it's up over 10%. This is the best performing September ever. And I already talked about this a couple of videos back, right? So this is history right now. So we're going to end off this month in the greens. Okay, and that means, guys, we're going to have 3 straight green months. Are you guys prepared for that? And I hope you guys are, right? So we survived the longest bear market ever. Now give us, okay, the longest Bitcoin bull market. I don't know if you guys remember, but back in 2022 to 2023, okay, we're pretty much in a bear market, right? Especially in 2022. That was like a terrible, terrible year for Bitcoin and crypto. I don't know if you guys remember that, right? But it was an absolutely terrible month for Bitcoin. And it was the longest one, right? This was, in fact, the longest bear market ever. Okay, and understand, guys, okay, the longer the bear market, the better the bull market. That's just how I personally see it. So understand, guys, this next upcoming bull run, this bull market will be the most epic one in history. Understand that. And I hope, I really do hope you guys are prepared for what is truly coming for Bitcoin and crypto, right? So the Bitcoin bull market starts here. Once we see a breakout from this resistance, right? As I told you guys many times, this is obviously a very, very key level to watch. Once we actually see a breakout from this resistance, Bitcoin's obviously going to be reaching a new high, okay, to $75,000 to $80,000 and beyond, right? So the bull market breakout zone is right here, guys. Okay, this is a very, very key level to watch. So you guys can clearly see, okay, Bitcoin, we know it's going to be reaching a new peak. And I told you guys, you know, my personal price predictions for Bitcoin, you know, the top for Bitcoin next year in 2025, because a lot of people are in fact wondering where the top will be. And understand, guys, okay, these are just all predictions. Okay, a lot of people are saying it's going to be at 150, but obviously we know it's going to be much higher than that. 200K, 250 to 280 to even 300K and beyond is very, very possible. Personally, that's just where I see Bitcoin reaching, right? A lot of people are in fact saying as well that we could potentially see Bitcoin go even higher than 300K, right? Could reach 400K to even 500K, which will be insane if Bitcoin does reach those levels. We would just have to see. But I can tell you guys this much right now, 200K to 250 is 100% going to happen. Okay, understand that, right? 100%, right? So get ready for the new peak, guys. And understand, right? We are so early. We're all the way down here, right? We are still in the consolidation phase, right? And once we actually see a breakout from this consolidation phase, okay, a very, very clear, beautiful breakout from this, that's when, okay, Bitcoin will in fact enter the next parabolic movement. And that's when the bull run will pretty much begin and reach a new high, right? It's gonna absolutely skyrocket, right? Just like where we saw it back in 2021 and 2017, even back in 2013, right? Those years were some amazing times for Bitcoin, right? Same thing's going to happen for the year 2025, okay? So get ready for that. So October is about to start. We are getting very close to going parabolic. And you guys can clearly see, okay, all these times, okay, in the month of October, for example, October 2016, right? And of course, throughout 2017, it started to pump. That's when we had a run up, right? Same with October of 2020, okay? And then, of course, throughout 2021, it started to skyrocket. This time around, okay, for this year in October, it's going to be the exact same thing. Okay, we're going to get a little start off for this bull run, a little kick, right? And then from there on, it's going to be history, right? Understand, guys, the remaining months, okay, for this year in 2024, and of course, throughout next year in 2025, will be some amazing times for Bitcoin. And I really do hope, okay, you guys are ready for it. I really do hope you guys are ready for it, okay? So be prepared. For all my Bitcoin holders out there, get ready for this next upcoming massive bull run, right? So the Bitcoin bull run is coming, guys. It's about to begin. We had the halving, as I told you guys many times, every single time. Okay, let me just show you guys. There you go. Every single time we have a Bitcoin halving event, okay, we always see a run up. Every single time, okay? 2012, okay, we had the first halving, and then of course in 2016 we had, you know, the second halving, and then of course 2020 we had our third halving, and just recently 2024 this year we had our fourth halving, right? And you can clearly see every single time we have a halving, right? 2013, 2017, 2021, we always see a run up, right? And that's when we were in fact in a bull run and we entered the next bull cycle, right? The bull market, that's when we're in a bull market. Same exact thing is going to happen for 2025. As I told you guys many times, right? 2025 is going to be the most epic year for Bitcoin and crypto. Understand that. And it's not just going to be the crypto market that's going to be pumping, right? I really do believe, okay, the stock market's going to absolutely skyrocket. A lot of markets out there are going to skyrocket. Real estate as well is going to pump like crazy, okay, next year in 2025. Like, in general, 2025 is going to be an amazing year, right? It truly will be. So get ready, guys. Okay, and you guys are probably wondering why, you know, we had the halving, our fourth halving recently back in April, right? April 20th to be exact, right? Our fourth halving. Why haven't we seen Bitcoin pumping yet? Well, you guys understand this is completely normal, right? We don't see Bitcoin having a bull run occurring straight away right after the Bitcoin halving of it. It takes time. It takes a few months' time. And if you guys look closely, right, at this chart, we didn't see a bull run happen straight away, right? You guys can clearly see that. For example, 2021, you guys can clearly see, right? We didn't see Bitcoin pumping. It was, you know, consolidating. Okay, you guys can clearly see that. And then it had a run up. Same with 2017. Look at 2017. This is a even better example, right? 2016 to 2017, right? You guys can clearly see Bitcoin was in fact consolidating, not really moving for the past few months. You guys can clearly see that. And then it slowly, gradually started to go up. And we entered the next bull run. Same exact thing is going to happen for this time around, okay, for the year 2024 and 2025, right? We're going to, you know, see Bitcoin gradually consolidating, and that's what it has in fact been doing, right? You can clearly see it from this chart, and then soon enough, it's going to break out and explode up to the upside, and of course, reaching a new high. Every single time, guys, we enter a new bull run, a new bull cycle, Bitcoin always enters and reaches, right, a new all-time high. And that new all-time high could potentially be at 200K, 250 to 280 to even 300K and beyond. We will see, right? But it's going to be in the 6 figs. That's what we know. Okay, so get ready for that, you guys. Okay, and this is the last chart that I want to show you guys for today's video, right? Bitcoin will eventually reach these prices, guys. And this is one of the main reasons, guys, you want to invest into Bitcoin, okay, for long term. Bitcoin is store of value. It's a hedge against inflation. If you want to beat inflation, put your money in Bitcoin. And guess what? It doesn't have to be Bitcoin, right? It could be other assets. If you genuinely want to, you know, beat inflation, guys, you got to put your money into assets. And this is how you build wealth, right? You have to invest your money, make your money work for you, right? So understand, guys, Bitcoin will eventually be reaching, okay, 100K, 300K, 900K, even a million and 2 million and beyond. Understand, guys, Bitcoin is a digital asset that's going to be worth millions of dollars one day. Bitcoin is the future of money. Okay, it really is. Not everyone out there can own one full Bitcoin, as I've told you guys many times. Get to one Bitcoin. If you simply own one full Bitcoin, you will become very wealthy in the future. If you simply want to have wealth and become a multi-millionaire in the future long term, get to one Bitcoin. As I told you guys many times, right? Bitcoin will eventually be reaching these targets, okay, in the next upcoming few years, right? And there's a lot of predictions out there, like for example, 2030, year 2030, the most bullish scenario for Bitcoin to reach is about $1.5 million. And that's coming from Cathie Wood herself. Even Marco Sella, he said himself that, you know, the year 2030, we could potentially see Bitcoin at $1 million as well, right? And that's possible, guys. And that's less than 10 years from now. So just think about that, right? Treat Bitcoin like it's your savings account. Instead of saving your money in the bank, and you should never do that, by the way, guys. We know we should not, you know, keep our money in the bank because our buying power will go lower because of inflation, right? Your money is just sitting in the bank, not doing anything while inflation is rising, right? You got to put your money in assets, guys, like Bitcoin. Right? Because Bitcoin, yes, it's volatile short term, but long term, it's always reaching a new high. And this chart just clearly shows you guys that Bitcoin is always reaching highs. It went from 1K, dropped, and then it went from 18K, and then it dropped, and then it went from 69K, and then it dropped. Not 99K. I don't know why it says 99K there. It should be 69K. And then it pumped, right? So understand, guys, okay, Bitcoin, right, will be reaching new highs very soon. Okay, it always reaches new highs. This time, it's going to be in the 6 figs for the first time ever, USD, okay? So get ready for that. But guys, I'm going to go ahead and end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Today is officially the last day of September, let me just actually just show you guys that right there, right? 30th of September. Today's a Monday, okay? And tomorrow is going to be the first day of October, right? You guys clearly see that. Tomorrow's going to be Tuesday for me. So get ready, guys. Get ready for October, or most people call it October. Okay, so get ready for that, guys. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.